I've got this feeling deep within my mind.
Hi everyone, Annette here from Ask Me Decor. Welcome back, and if you're new here, thanks for joining me. If you can like and subscribe right now, that would be great. It's really helping the channel. Things are moving along and I'm making videos once a week. So if you could like and subscribe now, that would really help my channel. We had the distinct pleasure of visiting a lavender farm on the weekend. And let me tell you, that was such a fun experience. So we go to this lavender farm. It's in Doylestown, Pennsylvania. If you're ever in that area, you should definitely stop. It's called the Valley Lavender Farm. Got there, we walked around. The owners were more than happy to let me take some pictures and film, so that was wonderful. And I bought some items. So I'm going to share the whole experience with you, but the first thing I want to do is show you some of these items that we got. So this is lavender sheet spray. You can lightly spritz this on your sheets and it will give you a lovely relaxing smell at bedtime. The next thing we got was some hand soap. I want to do something in the powder room with this. So we got a pump hand soap, lavender hand soap. And then I got a gel block of hand soap that I'm going to use this decoratively in the powder room. I bought a beautiful bunch of dried lavender. Now I almost wish I would have got 2 bunches because I have an idea of what I'm going to do in the powder room, but we'll see. I think once I spread this out, this might be enough. So that was it, a beautiful bunch of dried lavender. Some things for myself. First of all, lavender dark chocolate. Can you stand it? I mean, who doesn't want lavender dark chocolate? That's going to be a little treat. And then I did get this mix, lavender lemonade. So we're going to try to mix this up later on in the video and I'll give it a taste and we'll see how this is going to be. I'm excited to use this for the summer. They sell a lot of lavender products in their little gift shop, and this is one they don't make. It's Bigelow lavender chamomile tea, but I'm a tea drinker, so I definitely want to give that a try. I picked up some postcards and I have an idea of something we're going to do. We're going to DIY these postcards, so stay tuned for that. That's going to be an interesting little DIY. I got some fresh lavender. I wish you could smell this. These people at this lavender place, they are great. So they give you, if you buy fresh lavender, they give you a little card here, a little paper that tells you how to care for it, where to plant it, what to do with it, how to harvest it, how to trim it when it's growing back in the spring. Everything is on this little paper. So I should be able to handle growing some lavender, and I'm going to give this a try. The one major thing you want to do with this is put it in full sun. The woman told me once, sun, sun, and more sun. So make sure you do that if you're going to plant lavender. She also gave me a card that says caring for your dried lavender. So there's a couple things you can do with dried lavender in order to keep it, you know, as long as you can. Keep it out of direct sunlight. Keep it away from sources of heat. Don't hang it near open flames. You can use compressed air if it's getting dusty. And if you're feeling like you can't smell it anymore, squeeze it a little bit and you will get your smell back. So that's what I bought. That's like my lavender haul. And I am very excited to take you along to the lavender farm. So let's get going. So today we're at Valley Lavender Farm. This is a beautiful farm near Doylestown, Pennsylvania. We're going to tour it, we're going to buy some lavender, and then we are going to decorate the powder room with all of the inspiration we get from this beautiful farm.
Ooh, I've got this feeling deep within my mind. All the crazy circumstances we just leave behind. Ooh, we're leaving early, following the sun. You keep saying life.
The last lavender wasn't in full bloom yet. It's close, but it's not there yet. But it was still a very enjoyable experience.
All the perfect moments like these, I just want us to get more and forever all of the time. You'll be mine. Ooh. Come follow, I know how the story goes. 'Cause we have been through the highs, yeah, we've been through the lows. Ooh, I just wanna breathe that fire again. So release my burden, let my every dream unchain. It's like we were made for all the perfect moments like these. I just want us to get more and forever all of the time. You'll be
This lovely girl brought out samples of lavender lime bars. Excellent.
moments like these. I just want us to get more and forever all of the time. You'll be mine all of the time. You'll be mine.
Wasn't that fun? That lavender farm is beautiful. The gift shop had so many lavender items to choose from. I could hardly decide what I wanted to bring home. It was a very enjoyable experience, and I hope you get to go sometime to a lavender farm. Now, what I want to do next is decorate the powder room. I actually got some inspiration there for what I want to do to the powder room. So let's get started on that. So this is our DIY for the powder room. It's very simple. All you need is some twine, and we have our 3 little postcards. We need a hole puncher. First thing we're gonna do is punch a hole like right here and right here on each postcard. Then we're going to take our nice long piece of twine and we're going to thread it through each card. So decide which cards you want where. Yeah, I think I want mine like that. So we're going to come from the back. Put it through, and then put it through that hole the opposite way. So you have your twine showing right here. All right, now let's go hang this on our mirror. Now I am all done with this powder room, and my laundry room got a little bit of lavender too. I can't wait to show you. I'm gonna set this to music and take you around the room.
Ooh, I've got this feeling deep within my mind. All the crazy circumstances we just leave behind. Ooh, leaving early, following the sun. You keep saying life begins here down the 101. It's like we were made for all the perfect moments like these. I just want us to get more and forever, all of the time. You'll be mine. Ooh. Come follow, I know how the story goes. 'Cause we have been through the highs, yeah, we've been through the lows. Ooh, I just wanna breathe that fire again. So release my burden, let my every dream unchain. It's like we were made for all the perfect moments like these. I just want us to get more and forever, all of the time. You'll be mine.
So I have my lunch made. I'm gonna have a nice chicken salad wrap, and I'm gonna make some of our lavender lemonade. So let's get this open. And the nice thing about this bag is it's resealable. So I have a glass of water here, and I am just going to take about a teaspoon of this and add it to my water. Lavender lemonade. That's great. You should try it.
I just want us to get more and forever, all of the time.
So that's going to do it for our Lavender Farm inspired decorating in the powder room and the laundry room. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I can't wait to see you in the next video. And if you have any questions, just ask me.